If you're tired of losing money with overhyped signals, overpriced courses, or Forex robots that blow your account, let me show you the only Forex EA I personally trust in 2025. This EA just got a huge update. It's past 26 years of brutal market testing, and you'll understand exactly why I use it, and why it works, by the end of this video. Oh, and there's a bonus gift at the end, so make sure you watch all the way. Here's the reality most traders don't want to hear: 90% of traders fail. Most Forex robots look good in backtests but break in real markets. Many EAs are built on single strategies that fail when market conditions change. Sound familiar? What you need is a complete trading system, something that doesn't just rely on one setup or perfect timing. You know, something that adapts, protects your capital, and works even during volatile conditions. This EA solves all those problems. It's called Insert Your EA Name, and it's built for serious traders who want a tool that just works. Here's why it stands out. 3 strategies built in: trend logic, counter-trend entries, and high-frequency scalping. Real-time stop-loss and take-profit calculations based on market volatility. There's also a drawdown protection system, which is ideal if you trade with prop firms. Plus, auto GMT offset, smart filters, and adaptive risk. And, yes, it passed 26 years of market testing, not just in the 2020s. I'm talking about the 2008 crash, COVID, 2022 inflation, rate hikes. This bot kept winning. So, what's the win rate? Over 80%. And the recovery factor? It's over 40. That means this EA earns 40 times more than it loses. Most don't even hit 10. Let me show you some real data. GBP USD over 26 years resulted in a profit of $143,000, with an 82.69% win rate, and a maximum drawdown under 4%. This EA was tested on multiple currency pairs: GBP, USD, JPY, EUR, USD, and USD CHF. And the best part? You don't need to optimize it every week. It adjusts itself to the market. Whether you're just starting out or managing prop firm capital, this EA is crafted to scale, to protect and to grow your capital. It's designed for everyone, really. Alright, let's take a closer look at what you get with the EA. You receive full product access, lifetime updates, and pro setup support. It's all about making sure you're equipped with everything you need. Plus, if you deposit over $1,000, I'll give you a 1-hour private coaching call with me. I'll teach you how to make this EA work for you. And yes, all buyers get a free extra EA gift just for joining early. Just send your proof of deposit to contact@ascarfinance.com, and I'll send you the bonus instantly. You've got 2 choices right now. Keep guessing, hopping between strategies and hoping your account survives. Or use what works. A real EA built on real data, with real results. I've personally tested this, I use it, and I trust it. And today, you get access plus a bonus EA and even a one-on-one call if you go big. Click the link below, get started, and let's make 2025 your most profitable year yet.